It is paleo, gluten-free, dairy-free, refined sugar-free, and super, super yummy. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. Out here for you. I'm not actually following a recipe. I have made it up myself. So pretty much all you'll need is a protein powder. I'm using banana, obviously because it's banana bread, so it'll really enhance the flavour and it's high in protein, keep you full for longer. I'm using almond milk, 2 eggs, 3 really, really ripe bananas, overripe. Make sure they're ripe because that's what really, really makes the recipe sweet, and you won't have to add anything extra. And then we have some organic coconut flour because that's gluten-free as well. I'm going to be using a little bit of cacao powder just to give it a little bit of a chocolate taste and make it a little bit sweeter. Then we're using baking powder because that'll help it rise. A little bit of maca powder because this has a bit of a honeycomb kind of undertone, which would also make it taste really, really, really yummy. And then just your measuring cups and measuring spoons. So let's get cooking. Alright, so just before we start cooking, I have actually asked you guys on Instagram some questions to ask me, and you guys have replied, which is really good. So throughout the recipe, throughout the video, I'm going to be answering some of your guys' questions. So just in a small bowl, I am going to start mashing the ripe bananas because that's just what you need to do. My first question is, how do you stay healthy? So I get asked this all the time. Pretty much I have decided to live a healthy lifestyle, and pretty much I make it my priority. If I'm at a party, I will enjoy myself and I live in moderation, so I make sure that I treat myself and don't restrict myself. But I also make sure that I'm getting in my micronutrients and all of my vitamins and minerals that my body needs. So every day I like to live in routine, and I make sure that I start my day off with warm lemon water because it alkalizes my body and it starts my day off really well on a good start. Eat every meal with vegetables, as much greens as possible, and like all protein and obviously, and everything like that. But at the same time, try to make the healthy version of the foods that I'm craving, and it makes it really, 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 really easy to stay on track. So I'm almost done mashing up the bananas. I have one left, and I think I should have gotten a bigger bowl, but you know what? You can't win them all in life. You get what you get. So be it. Alright guys, banana is mashed. Now let's start with the base. So the question is, when did you first decide to commit to a healthy lifestyle? Good question, my love. I have always had a love to feeling good after eating healthy and after working out and just providing my body with the nutrients that it needs. Putting 3 or 4 scoops of the No Way collagen protein powder. Since I can remember, when I really started eating healthy was in year 5, and I honestly think that's just because my family at home, or like my mum, always influenced me to eat healthy, so that's where it kind of started. But then as I got older, I started to love the feeling of feeling good. 2 years ago, where I restricted myself so badly and I got onto all these fad diets that everybody, like pretty much everybody knows about, like keto, vegan, like I tried all of the fad diets out there, you name it, I've tried it. And I just got into that cycle of constantly restricting myself and not providing my body with the actual nutrients that it needs. So I'm doing 1 cup of coconut flour. Let's do 1.5 cups of coconut flour. Actually, you know what? Scrap it, 2 cups. And it really set, I had such a bad relationship with food and then I restricted myself, and then because I restricted myself and wasn't providing my body with what it needed, after school I'd go to the train station and I'd go to Coles and I'd buy a bag of chocolate, like a block of chocolate, and I'd eat the whole thing by myself. I started to realise that this wasn't maintainable, wasn't healthy for my body, so I decided to change my way of eating, and I decided to eat intuitively, listen to my body. It's pretty much how I started my healthy lifestyle. So I'm putting a teaspoon, so I'm putting 2 grams of baking powder, and actually no, putting 3.5 in here. The next question is, hi, how are you doing? Oh, that's so cute. Hi, I'm good, thanks. How are you? I'm just putting a teaspoon, no, 1 tablespoon of cacao powder. I'm actually really good at the moment. I haven't been really good the past week. I've been really sick. I'm alright now, but I wasn't the past few days. So thank you for asking. So I've just mixed all of the dry ingredients. Now I am going to add my banana mash right in and preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. I'm just mixing this together. I'm just adding eggs. Mix that all together. Now I'm going to add some maca powder. Alright, we're going to add half a teaspoon of maca powder. Banana bread. This is what it should look like after you've mixed everything together. Super yummy. Now we have to bake it. And now that we have mixed all of the batter together, it is time to line the baking tray. So I'm just going to get some baking paper, put it into the tray. Next question is your favorite part about being healthy. Favorite part is just overall feeling good, feeling energized, feeling confident, and also being able to make fun, healthy recipes, just like this banana bread. This batter into the tray. It smells so good. You know what would be so good? Banana bread protein balls instead of like the actual bread, banana bread. Now we're just going to smooth it out. Make sure it's nice and even all the way around. Just like so. So just grab the banana 1, banana 2, and Bobby's your uncle. So I'm going to place the banana bread in the oven on 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes, and I'll see you after when it's all cooked and yummy. Now it's time for the boring part. The dishes. Time lapse. Alright, the banana bread's in the oven, but I just want to close out the video here and say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up, as it shows that you like these videos and I know to do more videos like this. And please subscribe down below so you guys can see all of my other videos. So, see you next time. Bye!